Welcome to the fourth video from Sudo Science. This week's video is my unique origin story of the universe. In simple terms, the universe evolved from a single star. That star gave birth to planets, those planets became stars, and the process was repeated until we reached the universe we see today. The universe has a beginning. The Big Bang Theory, though, as it stands now, is not the answer. All the energy of the universe was not concentrated into a tiny space. All the matter in the universe was made after the universe was created. Let me explain. In the last week's video, I proposed that mass is actually a deficit of energy. Inside stars, there is sufficient energy for nuclear fusion to occur. Fusion must overcome the natural repulsion of atoms to allow the joining of junction points to create new, more complex structures of junction points. If you recall last week's video, hydrogen is the highest energy element in the universe. Joining two hydrogen atoms forms helium. The energy output from this reaction is huge. This excess energy creates waves that are so large in magnitude that when they cross paths with another wave, they can actually get locked together, forming new matter. Now, firstly, to explain how a planet can be born from a star. The Sun has regular solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These bursts of energy create a vortex as they move through space. This vortex is a bend in the fabric of space. We already know that gravity is just a curve in space, and as stated last week, low-energy particles collect in the gravitational focal point. As more particles come from the Sun, they travel in a straight line through curved space and end up hitting the outside edge of the vortex, accelerating both away from the Sun and into a spinning motion. As the object gains mass, it distorts space even more, and the process accelerates, eventually forming an orbit. After sufficient time, a planet will develop. This is why, as you move away from the Sun, the planets tend to get larger. A planet becomes a star when the temperature and pressure reach a level that fusion is possible. Then, the whole process starts again. So, now the universe can keep on expanding and evolving without needing to be bound by how much matter there is. The universe could just make more. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the subscribe button, as I will try to make a new video each week.